Hello, all our valued buyers. I am Shumen Banerjee from the Indian Silk Export Promotion Council. I will guide you in how to access the web portal that we have created for the buyers to view the products and to connect with the Indian silk suppliers, exporters, and manufacturers virtually. So, let us begin this virtual training session. You all have already received your login ID and password through email or WhatsApp. If not, then kindly click on register button to get your login ID and password. So firstly, type in the URL of the platform, that is www.virtualindiansilkfairplatform.in. Once you press enter, this web page will open. Click on login button, which is flashing on the screen. Type in your login ID and the password that you have received from us. Once you click on login button, our reception page will open. At the center, we have the LED screen on which we are displaying the welcome message from our Honorable Minister of Textile, Government of India, message from higher officials, and a video message from our chairman to our buyers. Here you can see three buttons that are flashing on the screen. I will explain you the use of all these buttons one by one. The first button is the download fair directory button. If you click on this button, a PDF version of fair directory containing the list of all the exhibitors who have taken part in this fair along with their contact details will get downloaded in your computer. You can use this directory to contact the suppliers after the end of this fair. This directory will act as a database for your future reference. The second button is Enter in Auditorium button. In this, we have our webinars, seminars happening live or pre-recorded that will be displayed here. If you want to go back, then click on this cross button and you will be redirected to the reception page. Now the last button and the most important button is the Enter the Exhibition button. So when you click on it, you will be redirected to the stall listing page. Here, the virtual stall of the participants who have taken part in this fair will be displayed. You can scroll to all the exhibitor stall just by clicking on the arrow button. At the top, you can sort the exhibitor as per your product requirement. Let's say in this case, if I choose silk scarves, then all the participants who are displaying silk scarves will be displayed on the screen. Then you can click on the stall to visit the virtual stall of that particular exhibitor. We have also created an exhibitor index button. So when you click on it, it will show you the list of all the exhibitors who have taken part in this fair. You can click on Show drop down button to increase the list entries. In this case, I am selecting 100. So 100 participants' name along with their product details will be displayed on the screen. You can scroll down to view it. Here you can also select the list of exhibitors as per the product. So in this case, I am selecting silk scarves. Now you can see the list of participants who are displaying silk scarves. So now if I want to view their stall, so I will click on this button. Once we click on it, the virtual stall of that participant will open. At the top we have the name of the participant. At the center we have the LED screen. Generally this has the corporate video of that particular participant. Click on play button to view it. If you want to go back to the reception page, then click on the button. Now we have different buttons at the bottom of the screen. If you want to go back to the listing page, then click on this lobby button. If you want to go back to the reception page, then click on this reception button. If you want to view the profile of this participant, then click on the profile button. If you want to see the catalog of the participant, then click on this button. You can download this catalog for your future reference. If you want to see the contact detail of this participant, then click on exhibitor detail. You can see their mobile number and the email ID of this particular participant. If you want to see the product displayed by this participant, then click on this button. Now when you click on it, all the products that is been displayed by the participant will be displayed here. Click on load more button to view more product of this participant. If you click on the product image, then the bigger image of that product will open. You can hover around the image to get a zoom view of the product. Here you can see the detailing and print work of the product. When you scroll down, you will find all the products that are related to this product. You can choose and view it. Now if you find the product interesting, then you can click on message me button. This will redirect you to the WhatsApp page. If you are viewing this on your mobile, then your mobile WhatsApp will open, and if you are viewing it on your laptop or desktop, then click on continue to chat button and then click on WhatsApp web. You will be redirected towards the web WhatsApp page and you can continue to chat with the participant, particularly on this product. To maintain the privacy of the buyer, until and unless you click on share detail button, your mobile number will not be shared with the participant. So if you find the participant interesting, then you can click on this button and your contact detail will be shared with the participant. In this portal, we have created a button of notification. So when you click on it, list of participants who want to have one-to-one meeting with you will be displayed. So it is up to you if you want to have one-to-one meeting with the participant. If you want to continue, then you can click on approve button. A notification will be sent to the participant that you have approved their meeting, and then you can have one-to-one Zoom meeting or a WhatsApp meeting with that participant. So don't forget to check your appointment in the notification button. So that's it. We have tried to create this portal user-friendly and easy to operate. Still, if you find any difficulty in login or the usability of the portal, WhatsApp me on my number, that is +91 96500 57826. Thank you so much for your time and looking forward to see you in the portal so that you can establish a fruitful business relationship with our participants at your own convenience. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.